Alright, so chapter 5 part 2 act 1 is coming in 2 days. We have Thursday and Friday, but my schedule is tomorrow will be the bubblegum final New Year costume, right? Today's the Twista Umamusume with a New Year costume of Sakuna Laurel and also the Ikuno Dicto's New Year costume on them because tomorrow we will have the bubblegum fellow gacha New Year's costume that she wears it. And yeah, I'm about to save carrots for this bubblegum fellow art. Now for Heaven's Word, I know it's 2 days, we have to stay Friday. But I'm in a new schedule, which was I mentioned earlier. For one, it's Friday because morning we don't have classes. If we have classes on physics, morning like the hop. Then on afternoon we have the flag retreat. Then I will go home at 4:30 and we're done. But one big issue, the video game marathon. I know you guys hate me when I say video game marathon. Please, I don't want video game to just stay on, just stay put because no video game marathons will be held weekdays. Weekends none. But since the maintenance will be at 3 p.m. on Friday, January 9, it will be done by 7 because we're going to start. I am going to finish the Aina event first. No, I'm going to play Heaven's Red and at 6:55 p.m. I am going to wait for 5 minutes after the maintenance. Then I'm going to play Aina's event Adventures of the Umoto. After that one, like 2 hours or so, I will after Aina coin scene. After that one, I am going to play chapter 5.2 act 1 until 12 a.m. This is why this is going to make me so suffering when I have to receive one final boss that I have to discover and discuss about it. The Eta Twister at day 6 and day 12 with the Kaleido Ouroboros, which was on spring 2026 of March. March will be the final exam on the last quarter and the last semester. So that means mga early March ato, dinani mid-March or late. So yeah, this is the last time that I have to talk about you guys. This is the announcement video that I have to discuss what is happening right now. For example, Gachapol and some other stuff like roleplay and some other stuff like battling or some other stuff like Chapter 5.2 release. But nonetheless, I am going to play Heaven's Red at Friday. Thursday, I'm going to do the long bonuses and then so on and so forth.